another huge 2026 season coming up. Only into round 2. Stay tuned, download the NBL1 app. Look at all the action. I even like looking at all the action over East as well. See what's going on. As kicks out to Jordan. Wellsteed looks back at the bench, blows a kiss. Valentine finds CJ Turnage spinning, rolls out to the US for his last 2 years of high school in Wyoming. Yeah, and if he goes to the free throw line, or if we're talking about him later, I'll tell you what.
Yeah, well, he was playing behind Jacksonville last week. So
yeah.
I think this extended opportunity. Probably opportunity.
Jimmer fading away off the glass, no good. Luke John driving, flips it up, no good, comes off the back iron.
He was a starting centre for
Slammers. Yeah.
Slammers.
Look at that rebound from Jordan Wellsteed. Full foul, so he's got to watch it. Knox. Good movement off the ball from the Hawks.